Go.
Alright guys, my name is Calvin. Clinton is not here, but we're about to do a prank on him. So the prank is, I'm going to pretend I'm bleeding from my mouth because right now I'm sick right now and I have strep throat. So he's at study hall right now and I'm going to get him really good with red food coloring and light corn syrup. So we're going to set up the camera and we're going to scare him because prank wars began and I'm about to get him good. So now let's get it started.
And we made the blood.
So this is our blood that we made. Ooh, that looks hecka real. We got that blood. We got that. Ooh, I'm not about to eat that yet. What does it taste like?
Try it.
No, it's not bad. Okay. I see how they do it in Vampire Diaries. Okay, we should get ready. What just happened? What happened? Can you go? Ken, what happened? I don't know. Are you bleeding? Ken, what happened? Ken, what happened? Can you please go to the hospital? Yeah, Ken, what the fuck? Where's your phone? Cause my phone's about to die. Where's your phone? Hurry! Put your finger in there. It's a prank. Fuck you! You're a wow! I hate you! I hate you! Got him! Got him! Got him! Oh my god! I hate you! Hate you! I'm so mad right now. Oh my god. He really got me hecka. Oh, that was so good. Bro, he got me. Dude. Isaiah, he got me so bad just now. Like, I just got out the shower, right? And I came in here and he was like coughing up blood, but it was fake blood. And he's already sick, so I thought his strep throat got f***ed up. So I was like, perfect. He put the camera right there and freaking, no, you know how real, Isaiah, you don't know how realistic that was. Where did you get that? Is that where you bought that? Yeah. Wait, were you gonna knock on our door because that's something was wrong?
No, I was just standing out here and I was trying to open it because you guys are being annoying.
No, Isaiah.
No, we're being annoying because I pranked
because
him
he
good.
pranked me. Like, I thought he would. I want to call the police.
Yeah, that's why I ended it.
Yeah, I'm about to call the I literally about to call the police. But that ends our video. I got him. That doesn't end our. That ends the first video. That's prank wars. That's prank wars. Okay, that is not. I'm not done because I got you. All right, so we're in that video. He might get me back, but I'm Calvin and I'm Clinton, and we are the Spelling Twins, and we're out for now.
Yeah, same nigga, I'm not changing shit. Got the same